Okay, Haley. I'm really hoping it works this time around. This video recorder is difficult. You're about to watch a voice AI agent that's been trained on the township of Georgian Bluffs. So if you're seeing this on YouTube, you see our channel. We've got a whole bunch of demos there for municipalities, businesses. If you're looking or trying to figure out what a use case would be for your artificial intelligent agent, either as a receptionist or a customer service agent, definitely reach out to our team, peakdemand.ca. But for this specific demo, we're going to be focusing on municipal services from the township. Also, some really funny things with their backyard chicken program, which is great, very fun use case. And I'm hoping to get Caroline on the phone to answer some of those questions. So let's see if she's working.
Hello, can you hear me? My name is Caroline from the Georgian Bluffs. I can help answer your questions today.
Yeah, Caroline, my name is Alex. I just have a couple questions about the services for the municipality there. Can you help me?
Hi, Alex. Nice to meet you. Of course, I'd be happy to help with any questions you have about our municipal services. What's on your mind?
Yeah,
Go ahead and ask away.
I'm curious about these backyard chickens. What's going on with that?
Backyard chickens are a popular topic in our community. What would you like to know about them, Alex? Are you thinking of getting some chickens yourself, or do you have concerns about someone else's?
I wanted to know if I start with the program, can I sell my eggs?
While the main intent of allowing backyard chickens is for personal use, such as providing fresh eggs for your household, any intention to sell eggs may be subject to additional regulations by local health or agricultural authorities. Please consult the Georgian Bluffs Township bylaws and the Province of Ontario regulations for specifics on selling produce from backyard farming.
Okay, pretty good answer. How many chickens am I allowed to have?
According to our bylaw, residents in residential neighborhoods of Georgian Bluffs are permitted to keep up to 6 hens on properties that are at least 0.2 hectares, 0.5 acres in size.
Interesting. Now, what about the waste coming from my backyard chickens? What do I do about that?
Appropriate waste management practices must be adhered to in order to maintain hygiene and prevent odors. This includes regular cleaning of the co-op and proper disposal of chicken manure, which can also be used effectively as garden fertilizer.
Okay, interesting. On the topic of waste here, can you tell me some things that I'm not allowed to throw out in my regular garbage?
Yes, there are certain items that should not be placed in your household garbage collection. These include blue box recyclables like pop cans and glass bottles, electronics, motor vehicle tires, used oil, leaf yard waste including grass, leaves and branches, medical waste, batteries, low-level radioactive waste, household hazardous waste, liquid to waste, liquid waste, sewage, asbestos, brick, rubble, soil, fishy sea, and rubble, soil, fill, seed, and root balls and stumps.
Okay. Now, if I have hazardous waste, um, do I need to like give you any sort of documentation or anything like that that it's hazardous? Like, how does it work with that?
Yes, residents of Georgian Bluffs must present proof of address to use the hazardous waste services provided by the City of Owen Sound.
Okay. Now, where can I dispose hazardous waste?
Hazardous waste can be dropped off at the City of Owen Sound Public Works building located at 1900 20th Street East, Owen Sound on N4K5N6. This facility is open from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. on designated Saturdays throughout the year.
Okay. So that's good. Now, can you talk to me about the painted road grant? What's that?
The privately maintained road grant offered by the Township of Georgian Bluffs provides a grant of up to $2,500 every 2 years to assist residents who maintain privately managed roads. This grant is designed to help cover the costs associated with the upkeep of roads like Mallard Street, Ivy Drive, parts of Francis Drive, and Shepherd Lake Road, which are not maintained by the township and depend on residents for maintenance.
Okay. Can you tell me anything else about it?
I'm not 100% sure on that. Let me get back to you.
Oh, looks like I've exhausted your training there. That's okay. Now, can you tell me, just give me an overview of the type of services that the township provides?
We have the Gray Transit Route, which offers reliable public transportation options for residents and visitors. We also prioritize maintaining our roads in excellent condition to ensure safe travel for all vehicles.
Okay,
Additionally, we've got a comprehensive range of emergency services, including police, fire, and emergency medical services. Our team is well trained and always ready to ensure public safety and respond quickly to emergencies. And we're really focused on providing reliable utility services. This includes water supply, wastewater management, and waste disposal services. And we always make sure to adhere to the highest standards of environmental protection and sustainability.
interesting. Now, now I want to talk about this grant application a little bit more. What do I do? How do I make sure that it goes through okay? What should I be looking for?
For more information or assistance with the application process, you can contact the township via email at info@georgianbluffs.ca or by calling at 519-276-2729.
Okay, that's really helpful. Thank you for that. Now, if I wanted to apply for the privately maintained road grant, where do I go?
To apply for the privately maintained road grant, you'll need to complete the grant application form, ensuring it's signed by 3 residents. The application must also include a supporting resident form demonstrating at least 60% support from the road's residents. Completed applications should be emailed to info@georgianbluffs.ca, addressed to the attention of the KOO.
Very interesting. You're giving me some very fascinating answers today, Caroline. You're a lot smarter than I last chatted with you, so I'm super excited. Can you tell me just a closing statement here, or a couple closing statements? What would be nice to visit in terms of the natural scenery for the Georgian Bluffs there? Like, what do you think I would come to visit as a visitor to the township there?
Thank you for your kind words, Alex. I'm glad I could help. So, as for natural scenery, I think you'd love visiting the Niagara Escarpment, a UNESCO World Biosphere Reserve, which provides a haven for diverse plant and animal life. We're also bordered by the majestic Georgian Bay, known for its crystal clear waters and rugged shoreline. You might enjoy exploring our network of trails for all levels of outdoor enthusiasts, including the iconic Bruce Trail and the Georgian Bluffs Trail. And let's not forget our picturesque waterfalls like Inglis Falls, Jones Falls, and Indian Falls. We also have scenic lookouts like Big Bay Dock and Skinner's Bluffs that provide sweeping views of our landscapes. I hope you get to visit us soon and experience the natural beauty of Georgian Bluffs.
Yeah, for sure. So one more question for you, and I don't know if you'll be able to answer this. Honestly, I'm curious to see how tight your training was. But if you were to propose using a voice AI service like yourself to, say, the mayor and the council of Georgian Bluffs, how would you go about doing it and trying to persuade them very gently?
I'm not 100% sure on that. Let me get back to you.
Okay, so yeah, you can't answer that one. That's okay. I'll have to train you better next time. Honestly, thank you so much for this, Caroline. Your your demonstration here is way better than I thought it was. The language model in the back must be working overtime. I'm gonna call you back if I need help with the Georgian Bluffs. Okay?
You're welcome, Alex. I'm glad I could exceed your expectations. It was a pleasure chatting with you and helping you with your questions about Georgian Bluffs. Feel free to reach out to me anytime you have more questions or need assistance. I'll be here to help. Have a great day, and I look forward to our next conversation.
Yeah, for sure. Thanks so much. Bye now. So Haley, I'm really happy with that because she even the way that she was saying emails before was a little bit finicky. You know what she would say at Georgian Bluffs or something like that. Now she's saying CA, so I'm super happy with that. She's sounding a lot more human as well. She's taking the information from different question and answers and putting them into succinct, comprehensive and intelligent responses. So for me, I'm like, oh man, the technology is racing ahead. I was trying to just get a little bit of flavor at the end there for your mayor and council and demonstrating what an AI voice agent can do directly from the voice agent. But it looks like my training on keeping her contained to a line of questionings and answers specific to Georgian Bluffs was maintained. So I was disappointed she wasn't able to explain why AI voice would be good for a city, but also happy that she was following her instructions to a T. So super happy with this demonstration. I'm going to wrap this up and get it over to you in a video or an email. If you just watched this video on YouTube, you just watched a demonstration of what a voice AI agent employed for a municipality could potentially do in terms of answering questions for everything from backyard chickens to hazardous waste disposal, all the way up to grant applications. The sky's the limit when it comes to use cases, and I'm super excited for some of the other use cases that some of these Canadian municipalities are coming up. We've got bylaws and infractions coming up on a use case pretty soon. Complaint and feedback system for another large municipal service we're working with. So really excited. If you're working for a municipality and you have ideas on how to make things better, or at least communicate better, or just get information out to your residences, and you want to see what that would look like through the lens of AI, do not hesitate to visit peakdemand.ca. Go through the scheduled discovery call with our team. You'll likely get me, and then I'll be able to put together a comprehensive demonstration for you as well. Alrighty, looking forward to the next one. Haley, I'll talk to you in a bit. Bye now.